Don't be mad at me. It's starting.
It's like,
Oh, hey, this is chicken nuggets.
this is Hersheys. We're best friends.
Yep. Best friends.
Forever.
Yeah. So when the last time you started chicken nuggets?
He stopped. He stopped playing.
When the last time you started chicken nuggets?
I don't talk to his bald head no more. When the last time you started Hershey?
I don't know. I don't
Yesterday,
think about
Demi.
it. No,
Yeah,
not yesterday.
when you ran out. My friend's so slow.
No, she's the slow one.
No, she's the dumb one.
I'm the smart one.
I'm the smartest.
I'm smarter.
I'm smartier.
Do I have anything else for them? We have another friend too, but
We don't include her.
yeah, she might break the camera. Okay, you like dark skin boys?
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Me too.
She's dumb.